Imagine this, you're cruising down the highway, music on, not a care in the world. Suddenly, your car sputters and stalls. There you are, stranded on the side of the road, the rhythmic beat of your favorite song replaced by the ominous ticking of your engine cooling down. The stress and frustration start to build as you realize your day has just taken an unexpected turn. A wave of inconvenience washes over you. Now comes the question, should you repair it or replace it? To answer this question, we've consulted some of the top experts in the auto industry. Their insights shed light on the complex variables that come into play when deciding whether to repair or replace a car. So, let's delve into their expert opinions. Firstly, the age of the vehicle can't be overlooked. As a rule of thumb, newer cars are often more worthwhile to repair. This is because they have a higher value and are more likely to have a longer lifespan post-repair compared to older models. The value of the car, both pre- and post-repair, is another crucial factor. If the cost of the repair is more than half the value of the car, then experts often recommend replacing it. For instance, if your car is valued at $4,000, and the repair will cost upwards of $2,000, then it might be time to consider a new ride. The nature of the repair needed is also vital. If it's a recurring issue or a major problem like a broken transmission or a failing engine, the repair costs could quickly add up to more than the value of the car. In such cases, replacement might be a more economical choice. Lastly, the cost of a new car is a significant consideration. If you're financially prepared to take on a car payment or have the means to buy a car outright, then replacing your old vehicle might be a feasible option. But remember, a new car isn't just about the sticker price. You also have to consider associated costs like insurance and registration fees. As we can see, the decision isn't black and white. It depends on a variety of factors unique to each situation. It's a delicate balancing act between the cost of repairs and the value of the car, the age of the vehicle, the nature of the repairs needed, and the cost of a new car. In our next segment, we'll delve deeper into the cost analysis to help you make an informed decision. Now let's dive into the numbers. After all, money talks. When it comes to repairing your car, the costs can be broken down into two categories, immediate and long-term. Immediate costs include the price of parts and labor. These can range anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on the severity of the issue. But it's the long-term costs that can really take a toll on your wallet. These include the potential for future repairs and decreased fuel efficiency, which can add up over time. On the flip side, replacing your car also comes with its own set of costs. The immediate cost is the price of the new vehicle. Then there are the ongoing costs, such as insurance, maintenance, and depreciation. While a new car might seem like the more expensive option up front, it could end up saving you money in the long run if your current vehicle requires frequent costly repairs. Money might not be everything, but it's an important factor to consider. So, after considering expert opinions and crunching the numbers, what's the best course of action, you might ask? Well, let's take a moment to mull it over. Every situation is as unique as the car owner themselves. Some of us are sentimental, holding on to our automobiles like cherished family pets. Others see them as practical tools, no different than a trusty hammer or dependable drill. No matter which camp you fall into, there's a general rule of thumb that can guide your decision. If the cost of repairs is tipping the scales at more than half the value of your car, it might be time to consider replacing it. It's a bit like pouring an expensive bottle of champagne into a glass with a hole. You might enjoy a few sips, but before long, you'll be left with an empty flute and a damp tablecloth. But it's not just about the money. Your personal situation, safety, and peace of mind also come into play. You could have the most expensive car in the world, but if it doesn't start on a frosty morning when you're running late for work, well, what's the point? So, take a step back and assess the whole picture. Your car isn't just a machine, it's an extension of your life, a companion on the road of existence. Remember, it's not just about the cost. Consider your personal situation, safety, and peace of mind. After all, your car isn't just a machine, it's a part of your life. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That little click means a lot to us and helps us continue providing content like this. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly post videos on car maintenance, cost analysis, and expert takes on various automotive scenarios. And last but not least, we would love to hear from you. Do you have a car repair or replacement story to share? Or perhaps you have a question or suggestion for future videos? Drop a comment below. Your input is invaluable to us and our community of viewers. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you.